Hey there, I'm Kat. Welcome back to my channel. I got another box to unbox for my 25 days of unboxing. Alright, if you're new here, make sure you take a moment, like, subscribe, comment, do all that good YouTubey stuff. Make sure you check out all the other 25 days of unboxing videos because there are giveaways in a ton of these and you don't want to miss out on getting entered in any of them. So if you're not familiar at all with my channel, I do unboxing videos and samples, freebies, and discounts, birthday freebies, stuff like that. Single swag is a box I have opened lots of times on my channel because I love the discount box you can get. So single swag by itself, it's this big old box. It's normally like 6 to 8 products, $40, nothing discount about that, right? Nope. But single swag has what they call the petite box, which you can get for $25, and then they have pretty much every single month there's a new code that comes out. You can apply your 40% off code, which brings the price of the box down to about $16. 15 something, I forget exactly what the change is, and that's if you just pay month to month. You do have to go in every month and update the code, but you can keep that discounted price as long as you're willing to update the code every month. You can also do things like I did and lock in the price. So I locked in the price for a 6-month subscription, got the discount they give you for subscribing for multiple months, and then used my 50% off code during the holiday and snagged so I paid for a whole 6 months, I paid $66, so I paid $11 a box. It's actually a little less than that. It came out to like $10.50 a box. Want to see what I got for $10 and some change? Can get it open? So, you know, for $25, it's still going to be a good box, but for $10, it's a great box. I will say that the pricing, they give you a little pricing card. It's always super inflated. Yeah, they say this box is worth $127. As long as I got $10 worth of stuff out of it, I'm happy, and I always get at least that. Let's see what I got. From Dr. Botanicals, which we do get in these boxes quite a lot. This is the Coffee and Walnut Renewal Facial Exfoliator. So it's probably coffee scented, which I could do without, but I do love a good organic exfoliator, so I will actually use this. $22. Really? This feels like an awfully small one for $22. Now I do know that's an expensive brand. And they always have good brands in here. We've gotten Manica Dar in here before. I don't know. I feel like this is a pretty small tube to have been the $22 tube. So maybe they're saying the full size is $22. I don't know. But I'm still happy to get it and I will use it. And then we've got Lavender and Flaxseed Eye Soother. Cute. Oh, that smells amazing. Okay, it's one of those little pillows with the little soft beans in it. Doesn't work over my glasses. It smells really good though. Nice. Okay. That is from Banther Beauty. $24 for an eye pillow. I wouldn't pay $24 for an eye pillow. It is a nice one. Here's our little snack. There's always one snack in here. It's usually $4 or $5. Let's see, this one says $5. And it is Cocoa Yoko chocolate bar. Okay. Is it white chocolate? Boo. It says milk chocolate, but then it doesn't, that makes it look like white chocolate. Let's find out. No, it's milk chocolate. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna eat that, so. Here's our little jewelry piece. The jewelry is always the thing that kills me in these boxes. If you've seen me open these boxes before, you know the jewelry drives me crazy. Not because there's anything wrong with the jewelry. It's usually cute. I'll even often wear it or gift it to people. But they always say it's like $60, $70 value for some costume jewelry. All right, they come in cute boxes. Like I said, I don't have a problem with the jewelry itself. Let's see. Oh yeah, see, another cute one. Look at that. But let's see what they say it's worth. The Demi Silver necklace and earring set, $52. Real cute, but $52, really? Alright, and then it looks like we have one more thing from Molly Jacobs. I'm surprised actually this is the first planner I've gotten. I feel like December we get so many planners. I guess maybe they're coming in January. I don't know. So $24, yeah, if I buy a planner at all, it's usually from the dollar store. $24 for a fancy planner from Molly Jacobs. I don't know about that. I don't know who Molly Jacobs is, but we get stuff from her occasionally in this box. It's always kind of priced high. I don't know. I don't know if a Molly Jacobs planner is worth $24 to you guys. I certainly won't get that much use out of it. I'll probably actually end up passing it along to someone who will. But yep, that's the box. So again, for 10 bucks, my candy bar, my facial scrub, my little eye soother, those were all definitely worth 10 bucks. So I'm not complaining about the box. Some months are better than others. And I feel like this maybe wasn't the greatest one. There's usually an office type product, and I feel like the planner was kind of a dud for me. But I'm prepared for that this time of year. We get planners in a ton of boxes, and I'm always like, great, another planner I'm not going to use. I'm just not one of those people. But other than that, not a bad box. And like I said, if you can snag it in the deal and get it for, you know, 10, 11 bucks, it's almost always worth it for 10 or 11 bucks. Think about it like an Ipsy or a Birchbox, but you're getting other stuff as well. So there's usually a jewelry piece, an office piece, like a skincare, some sort of makeup usually, and a snack. So not too shabby. All right, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have gotten a single swag box yet. What are you waiting on? You got to check it out. All right. Should we do one more giveaway? Let's do a little giveaway. I got a box or a bag right here. And it has the Wet n Wild sets in it. I got for, I snagged these right when they put out the Christmas sets at CVS, actually, I think is where I got these. One is eyeshadows and eyeliners, the other one is mascaras. Great little set, or a gift set if you don't have any use for them. They're all ready to go. I did throw in here one of the hard candy Mataholics. They started carrying this stuff at the dollar store when the prices went up at the dollar store. Have you guys seen that? I like hard candy. All right, and I'm sure I'll throw a few other things in here, but I had that set off to the side. So a little quickie video, little quickie giveaway. All right, if you want to get entered to win this giveaway, you have to leave a comment down below. Include the word love, L-O-V-E, love. All right, so other than that, standard rules apply. You have to be 18 years or older. This one's going to be US only as well. There are some of the unboxing, 25 days of unboxing giveaways that include Canadian shipping, so check back through the other videos. If you've got a Canadian shipping address, you're not out of luck completely. It's not every giveaway, but some of them I did include both the US and Canadian shipping addresses. Other than that, I'm going to leave all of these up to the end of the month and draw them all together in one big video. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The standard rules apply. I'll put all that stuff down below. YouTube's in no way affiliated. I'm not legally responsible for it once it gets to the post office, etc. All right, so that's it for this video. If you want to get entered in the giveaway, make sure you leave a comment down below with the word love. And I will see you guys in the comments soon and in another video tomorrow. Bye.